Hello, this is Shehzad Afridi, and today we will learn how to install the Xampp server on your local computer. It's very easy and it has a very few steps to install it. So let's get started. Once the browser is open, write download Xampp on the search bar, then click on the first link. It will redirect to its official website. It has different flavors, so I will download according to my system. My system is a 64 base system, so I will download it for it. It will take a little time. Once it downloaded, you will find it in download directory. Click on it. Once it's open for the first time, it will show a warning sign for you. Just leave it for now. Next, and choose its directory where you want to install it. I will have to choose another directory. I create a separate folder for it. It's a good practice to name it with its software name. Then next. So in the installation time will take a little bit. Once it's complete, then finish. It will open direct once it's complete. So you have to start the Apache server and MySQL in order to test it whether it's working or not. Sometimes it's giving error or port issue, but we have to make it sure that whether it's working or not. I will click on MySQL to check whether it's opening PHP admin or not. So here it's working good. So that's it for the first video. So we will create more videos in this series. So be patient and subscribe the channel.